cold. It's cold. Hey guys, and welcome back to another mildly horrific edition of Cook You Bastards. I don't know about you, but I'm fucking freezing. And they say that might have something to do with the fact that it's winter. Believe what you want, my friends. I know what's really going on. Anyway, winter time comes and I start thinking about soup. Yes, soup. What else warms you up like soup, right? So here's one that I personally love. This reminds me of being a kid and going to games at Giant Stadium, which if you don't know is in a swamp, or used to be in a swamp at the edge of the ocean, and was freezing. My dad would do a huge tailgate, but the best thing about it for me was always cream of potato soup. And it's super easy. You can probably make it with stuff you have lying around your kitchen. So let's get going. Gonna spark up my pan here. Gonna plug it in first. Prime it a little bit of oil. And I'm adding about half a yellow onion and some bacon. Because nothing's better in cold weather or hot weather than bacon. You want to just kind of cook this stuff down. Render out the fat from that bacon. You don't want to burn anything. It's okay if you brown the onions a little. Once the bacon's kind of crispy, onions are soft, pour off some of that fat and add potatoes. I got here a mix of russets and yellow potatoes. I just diced them up just because that's what I had lying around. Store them in some water so they don't turn brown. And just add them to your soup here. And then some stock, chicken stock. Something decent. Just enough to cover these guys up. That should pretty well do it. I don't know how much I was going to need because I'm just kind of winging this, so I bought 2 of them. I'm going to let those simmer. I'm going to add a little bit of thyme. You can put whatever you want in. You can add more veggies if you want, like carrots or celery. Put whatever kind of herbs you want. And we're going to let that simmer until the potatoes get soft. All right, guys, so potatoes are soft. Everything's nicely cooked. And now, finishing touch to this bad boy. Bad boy! If you know what movie that's from, you get the prize from today. So I'm going to throw in about 1.5 cups of whole milk, or you can use cream. You can throw in some butter if you want to. I don't care, it's your soup. About that much. All right, that's the cream part. P.S. This is how you get New England clam chowder and all that kind of stuff. It's a clear soup with a little bit of milk added. And then 2 ways to approach this. You can take some of the potatoes out, grind them up, dump them back in. You know me, I take the easy way with everything. That was nice. So I'm just going to grind some up to make this soup a little thicker. But I still want some nice chunks of potato in there. That's good. I know some people use a roux. They cook down some flour with fat. I just like to use the potatoes. You know, there's a lot of starch in there. It makes it nice and thick and still chunky. Correct the seasonings. I know it's going to need some salt. And I like a little black pepper. Let's see how that works. It smells good. More salt. Alrighty. And serve it up. Hey, if you like this video, please subscribe so I can show you new recipes and new tips and new techniques. I post just about every week, sometimes even twice a week. We know how to make a decent soup. Winter's a lot better. Don't eat the dogs. Just make some soup. And for a finishing touch, do some chives on top. You don't even have to slice them. Just snip them. And that's it. Cream potato soup makes the winter seem like it goes by much faster. Cheers.